Say what? Hey, honey. Hey, babies. Say hello to everybody. There's Biscuit. There's a little boy. That's a little boy. He's got extra toes. Not actually extra, but you can see there. He's got thumbs. And he uses them very well. That's a Benjamin. What are you doing? What are you doing? Say, I'm a little boy too. And I'm fixed. And there's Soda Pop. And there's Shadow. Shadow is completely black and has one white whisker. And there's the little rug rat. He needs a home. They all need homes, actually. It's a Benjamin. There's a little bitty black baby. Yes. And there's a little bitty black baby boy, black and white. Yes, who's also fixed. There's my Biscuit. There's my Biscuit. Yes. And then this little girl right here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, yes. There's your Biscuit. Come on, sweetie. There you go. Hey, honey. Hey, sweetie. Come here. Oh my goodness. What are y'all looking at? Someone's walking by. Look at them. They're just all staring. And of course the little one's playing. Yep, there we go. Alright, everyone. Say bye-bye. Soda Pop. Soda Pop. Soda Pop. Hey, sweetie. Yeah. Oh, no, we can't play with the cord.